Thailand, tropical beaches, street food that's world famous, ancient temples, night markets, island hopping, big cities and quiet escapes all in one country. Thailand looks easy. Cheap food, friendly locals, endless hotels. But here's the truth most travelers learn the hard way. Without the right planning, Thailand can still waste your time, money, and energy fast. Overpriced taxis, tourist scams, wrong islands, burnout from trying to do too much. That's why you're watching Hack Trip Easy, the channel that helps you travel smarter, save money, and avoid the mistakes most travelers make. In this episode, I'm sharing essential travel hacks you need to know before traveling to Thailand. So, grab your notebook and let's dive in. Upon arrival in Thailand, consider purchasing a local SIM card for immediate connectivity. A local SIM card provides affordable data access for various essential services. It enables map navigation, helping you find your way around. It also facilitates the use of ride-hailing services for convenient transportation. Translation apps become readily available, aiding communication. For reliable airport transport, use official airport taxis. Alternatively, use ride-hailing apps like Grab or Bolt. These options ensure licensed and regulated services. Avoid unauthorized drivers soliciting rides. Unauthorized services may pose safety risks. Always verify the driver's credentials and vehicle. Taking a screenshot of your hotel address in Thai script is useful. It helps overcome language barriers with local drivers. The Thai script ensures accurate communication. Drivers can easily identify the hotel location. This avoids confusion and potential misdirection. It simplifies navigation for both parties. Bangkok faces significant traffic congestion issues daily. The BTS SkyTrain offers an elevated rail transport solution. The MRT subway provides underground rapid transit. Both systems efficiently bypass surface traffic delays. When using tuk-tuks, negotiate the fare before starting the ride. Pre-negotiation helps prevent being overcharged upon arrival. Agree on a price with the driver before departure. Confirm the agreed fare to avoid misunderstandings later. For long-distance travel, consider overnight trains as a cost-effective option. Overnight buses also offer a way to travel while saving on accommodation expenses. These options allow you to sleep while traveling, maximizing your time. This can be more economical than paying for a hotel or hostel room. Check schedules and routes to find the best option for your destination. Book in advance, especially during peak seasons, to secure your seat or berth. Domestic flights offer a swift way to travel within a country. They connect cities and islands more quickly than ferries or buses. Flights can often be a more affordable option for longer distances. Consider flight duration when comparing travel times. Check for deals to maximize cost savings on domestic routes. Domestic flights provide efficient travel between regions. When choosing city accommodation, location is a key factor for easy commuting. Prioritize accommodations near public transport hubs like BTS or MRT stations. BTS, SkyTrain, and MRT, Mass Rapid Transit, offer efficient city travel. Proximity to these stations reduces travel time and enhances convenience. This strategic location choice improves overall accessibility within the city. When visiting islands, explore lodging options before booking. Avoid committing to the first hotel you find. Exploring alternatives can lead to better deals. Consider guest houses for budget-friendly stays. Check online travel agencies for special offers. Negotiate rates, especially during off-peak seasons. Guest houses and boutique hotels offer good value. They provide a more immersive local experience. These accommodations are often smaller and more personal. Guests can interact more closely with locals. This enhances cultural understanding and connection. Before booking accommodations, always check reviews. Pay close attention to comments about noise levels. Assess the location's suitability for your needs. Confirm the availability of air conditioning. These factors significantly impact your stay. Cash is essential due to limited card acceptance. Smaller establishments often prefer cash payments. Credit and debit cards may not be universally accepted. Always carry enough cash for transactions. Use ATMs located inside secure locations like shopping malls or bank branches. Indoor ATMs reduce the risk of fraud and theft. These locations often have security cameras and personnel. Be aware of your surroundings when using any ATM. Shield the keypad when entering your PIN to prevent onlookers from seeing it. Avoid airport currency exchange booths for better rates. Airport exchange rates are often less favorable. City exchange booths typically offer better exchange rates. Research and compare rates before exchanging currency. Consider using local ATMs for potentially better rates. ATM fees can erode your funds over time. One strategy to reduce fees is to limit ATM visits. Instead of small, frequent withdrawals, opt for larger sums. This reduces the number of transactions and associated fees. Plan your withdrawals to cover expenses for longer periods. Careful planning can lead to significant savings on ATM charges. To ensure street food safety, select vendors with fresh, hot food offerings. High customer turnover is a good indicator of food freshness and safety. Vendors that serve food at proper temperatures reduce bacterial risks. Prioritize cleanliness and hygiene at the food stall. Eating where locals eat often indicates higher food quality. Local eateries prioritize fresh ingredients to satisfy regular customers. They rely on reputation and repeat business within the community. Freshness is key to maintaining a loyal local following. Quality ingredients are essential for authentic local cuisine. Choosing local spots enhances the dining experience. Exercise caution around ice, especially in rural areas. The source and stability of ice in these areas may be uncertain. Unknown ice sources can pose significant safety risks. Always assess ice conditions before venturing onto it. Always carry basic stomach medicine as a travel precaution. This helps address potential food-related digestive issues. Unfamiliar foods or water can sometimes upset your stomach. Having medicine readily available provides quick relief. It ensures a more comfortable and worry-free travel experience. When visiting temples, it's important to dress respectfully. Appropriate attire shows respect for the sacred space. A key aspect of respectful dressing is covering your shoulders. Another important element is ensuring your knees are covered. Adhering to these guidelines demonstrates cultural sensitivity. Following these rules allows for a more meaningful visit. Removing shoes is a common practice when entering temples. This act is a sign of respect for the sacred space. It is also customary in some shops and homes. Bare feet or socks are usually acceptable inside. Check for signs indicating shoe removal policy. Adhering to this custom shows cultural sensitivity. Cultural sensitivity is crucial for respectful interactions. Avoid touching anyone's head in certain cultures. Touching the head can be seen as disrespectful. Pointing feet at people is also considered impolite. Feet should not be directed towards Buddha statues. These actions can offend or disrespect local customs. Learning basic Thai phrases significantly improves interactions with locals. Sawadee is a fundamental greeting, used to say hello in Thailand. Using Kop Kun to express thank you shows respect and appreciation. Mastering these phrases enhances cultural exchange and understanding. Knowing basic phrases makes travel experiences more rewarding and enjoyable. Be cautious of claims stating a temple is closed. Scammers often use this tactic to deceive individuals. Verify temple status through official sources. Do not trust unsolicited information about closures. Protect yourself from potential fraud. Stay informed and skeptical of such claims. To ensure a safe and enjoyable island tour, book through trusted sources. Reputable agencies offer reliable services and protect against scams. Hotels often provide tour booking services with verified operators. Booking via established channels helps ensure tour quality. Verified tours typically adhere to safety standards and regulations. Always check reviews and credentials before finalizing your booking. Thailand is vibrant, affordable, welcoming, and unforgettable when you travel prepared. Choose the right transportation. Eat smart. Respect the culture. Watch for scams. And most importantly, slow down and enjoy the moment. You don't need to see everything in one trip. The best Thailand experiences happen when you travel smart, stay flexible, and leave room for discovery. If this episode helped you, subscribe, hit the thumbs up, and ring the bell so you never miss a Hack Trip Easy episode. Thanks for watching. Travel smart, enjoy Thailand, and I'll see you in the next adventure.